I picked up a cheap Road King seat for the bike. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more comfortable than what I have now. Because the Road Kings don't go all the way up to here, the Road King seats, they come out somewhere down here. I bought a new chrome piece to cover this, made by, it says Hotop Designs, dash extension panel. I got it off JP Cycles, where I usually buy most of my stuff. There's no directions that I can see so far. That's it. No directions. So I'm assuming the screw comes out. I've got a chrome screw, so the new screw goes on, and that just butts up like that. It comes with its own little trim rubber piece. Gonna have to cut that to fit too. So let me go trim these pieces and get an Allen wrench. Okie dokie, folks. Alright, so I trimmed those pieces to fit the edge. Take off the old screw. Now this should just butt up right against there nicely. I'm going to have to trim the plastic on there. Okay. Alright, now let's see how it fits. Not really crazy about the fit. Does look okay. I think it could have been a better design to go around here. It's not a great fit though. I got an idea. Hope I don't screw up the chrome. Right, let's see how it fits now. Okay, it's much better now. So basically what I did was I just used a pair of pliers and I tweaked these out a little bit. So she go up nice and tight up against there. So you got less of a gap. It's not the best fit, it really isn't. It could be a better design. You know, they could have made it to fit a lot nicer than that. But it is what it is. And then you put the chrome screw right over the top. That's it. It's all set. See how there's such a gap in there? Not crazy about that style. And I had to pull this little edge out just to get it up to fit in there properly. But overall, it's a decent look. Picked up this Road King seat for 20 bucks. Used. The guy sold this Harley. This thing's really nice, and it matches the what I got here. And there we go. There we go. The Ultra Classic seats come up to here. The Road King seats are a little shorter in the front. So this actually does the job that I wanted it to do. For 20 bucks, and I think I paid 30 for this. I got a really nice seat. Really nice. Should be nice and comfortable going down the road. And it matches my back seat. The only one I had was an aftermarket seat. Really nice carbon seat. But it's just too thin in here, you know. Your butt starts hurting after a couple of hours of riding. Overall, I'm happy with it. You know, I got a nice seat for cheap money. If you like the videos, you guys know what to do. Please help me spread the word, share them, and like them. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. You all have a great, well, it's afternoon here, so morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever you're at. Take care.